Hello dear friends, today I'm making Suji ka Tukri wala halwa. I have taken 2 baking cups of sugar and I'm gonna add 1 cup of water to make the shira. With the desi ghee and the shredded coconut, chopping some almonds. Half cup I have added the vegetable oil. We are using the same measuring cup. Second cup, and now we have to bhunify it until it starts turning into golden with a nice aroma of the roasted suji. I am adding some of the chopped almonds to this mixture. After adding the shira, just cook it for 1 minute. If you will cook it for too long, it will start getting too hard as a consistency. Now I'm going to pour it on a After half an hour, cut the pieces